Europe is still the #1 market for French wines, which have a positive image among Europeans. However, the diversity of French wines can appear to be a complex subject, which needs explaining in simple terms on foreign markets. The Wines of Style campaign aims to make French wines more accessible for European consumers, helping them to develop their knowledge of French wines by relating them to their own lifestyle, eating habits, or budget. The diversity of French wines is expressed for this campaign by relating them to 4 different lifestyles, which are authentic and natural, distinctive and unique, prestigious and sophisticated, and easygoing and straightforward. Five wine experts, selected to be the faces of French wines in their respective countries, spent some time together in Lyon, where they met some wine producers, wine merchants, sommeliers and other wine experts to explore and enjoy the diversity of French wines. Travel with them and discover French wines with style.
I'm so happy to be here in Les Halles de Lyon. Look around you, I mean there's food all over the place, foie gras, huître, we see the pâtés, we see everything, and of course, because that's my specialty, I really am very fond of wine.
So this is an opportunity to have a new tasting experience, and with this kind of assortment.
Monsieur, je vous fais goûter.
Oui.
Donc les abîmes, cépage Jacquard, en Savoie. Cépage vraiment local, en Haute-Savoie. Alors, on l'a mis dans 10 calices.
Sans serre.
On les trouve sous tous les formats et il est prévisible qu'on ait des gros volumes de vins bio français qui arrivent sur le marché dans les prochaines années.
C'est vrai qu'on a une clientèle, nous, assez hétéroclite, avec différents styles de clients. Des clients étrangers qui viennent découvrir, la cuisine lyonnaise, et puis également les vins français. Une grosse clientèle habituée, lyonnaise, avec qui on discute plus du style de vin, des vins blancs secs, des vins blancs aromatiques, des vins blancs moelleux, des vins rouges puissants, des vins rouges souples. On parle du style du vin avant de pouvoir après décliner sur des découvertes sur des régions.
Mais nous, on reste quand même ici assez tradition. Oui. Donc, vous allez pouvoir découvrir des vins à cœur authentiques. Là, on est sur des vins en découverte. On programme un peu notre vallée du Rhône, qui est notre identité avant tout, que ce soit au gastronomique ou bien sûr au set.
We make only simple things. In the vineyard, in the cellar. The beauty is drink with a good meal, a good friend, a beautiful table. If you want to make a very good wine, you must make a lot of things. Little thing, not a special thing, but very précis.
We work every day in a vineyard that was planted 2,000 years ago. So when we are going to do something, I try to listen a lot, and I understand the way of making the wine in this family. It's a good way.
Le Beaujolais, c'est la seule région dans le monde plantée en gamètes sur des sols granitiques, sur une arène granitique. Donc c'est vraiment à nous de sublimer cet endroit, d'essayer de tirer le meilleur potentiel de ce fabuleux trésor que sont les crus du Beaujolais. Pour moi, une viticulture sincère, c'est une viticulture en agriculture biologique.
Let us show you a selection we made of Beaujolais Village. It's really the philosophy of the domain and Beaujolais as well. We've got so much different terroir, so much different appellations. It's so rich that it's very important for us to feel every terroir in each appellation, really.
You make your wines in a very structured and linear, straight style, almost aristocratic, which I like. So not really opulently fruity. And these wines seem to be able to age too.
Le style des vins de la maison, c'est plutôt un style de vin qui est sur la richesse et la matière, tout en essayant de garder toujours un petit peu de fraîcheur pour avoir la gourmandise. On a l'Angleterre, les États-Unis, le Japon et la Hollande. C'est à peu près 4 marchés où on fait sensiblement les mêmes volumes aujourd'hui.
We work in family. I work with my sister, with my father, with my mother, and I would like to welcome the people and in a good sense, with a wine, with a meal, all the time. It's for that I like the conviviality. We export wine.
Yes.
Oh, Belgium, UK, Japan.
Japan, of course.
Yeah, Quebec, Sweden, USA.
Holland, I hope.
Oh, Holland,
yes.
yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This trip was a real wine-style experience where we discovered the great diversity of French wines. French wines clearly have the answer to the many different lifestyles of our local consumers.